Most fleet maintenance problems do not start with a major breakdown. They start with small things getting missed. An inspection gets skipped. A small issue is not reported. A service reminder is buried in a spreadsheet. The first step is to make inspections part of the daily routine. Drivers should be able to check the vehicle, add photos, and report issues before they become bigger repairs. Once an issue is reported, it should not sit in someone's inbox. It should turn into a clear work order with the vehicle, task, priority, technician, and status. Every repair should update the vehicle's service history. If a part is used, inventory should update too. That way the team knows what was done, what was used, and what is left in stock. The goal is not just to fix vehicles faster. The goal is to prevent avoidable breakdowns with reminders based on mileage, engine hours, or time. A better maintenance process also needs visibility. Look at repeat repairs, overdue services, downtime, parts usage, and cost by vehicle. Improving fleet maintenance is not about adding more paperwork. It is about building a clear process. Inspect, report, repair, track, and review. When every step is connected, the fleet becomes easier to manage.